Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains how the Sweepy mobile app works and whether it's worth using to manage your home cleaning routine. Sweepy is an app designed to help users organize and track their cleaning tasks. You can create and customize chores for each room, set cleaning frequencies, and get daily cleaning lists based on your availability. The app also shows visual progress indicators and allows sharing tasks with household members. It includes gamification features like earning points and competing on leaderboards to motivate users. The pros of Sweepy include a user-friendly interface, customizable tasks, motivational gamification, and multi-user support, which is great for families or roommates. However, the free version has limited features, with smart scheduling and other advanced options requiring a premium subscription. Some users report occasional syncing issues, and the app needs an internet connection to work properly, which can be inconvenient. Overall, Sweepy offers a structured way to maintain a cleaning routine with helpful features, but consider its limitations and potential technical issues before subscribing. If you've used Sweepy, share your experience in the comments below. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For copyright concerns or inquiries, refer to the description for the email.